I need to attach the neck to the, this is the hardest part, of course, attach the neck to the body here. And this part right here is basically, you know, some of the extra balloon, you know. It wasn't the end, it was like this. And I just gelled it all the way up to here. So there's actually a little hole in the top here of, you know, of the balloon, the end of the balloon. But it was just a little extra gel. You know, I made a little tiny ball, the little extra gel up to this end, and then when I popped it and pulled the knot off, it left this little piece right here for a top of a tail. This looks like it's staying for the most part. Poor little guy. He's a little wobbly right now because he's still wet. It's nice because these don't break. They're just like the gelatin bubbles, but they will break apart from each other, you know, because they're only stuck together. They're not, you know, real balloon animals. The last part is that some balloon animals, you know, they draw faces on, or they have polka dots, or, you know, because they have textured balloons or something like that. I can take a food marker and be very careful because of the water in them, and actually make the little, you know, they draw on them with their Sharpies, the balloon twisters, especially for animals or like mermaids or any type of character. They'll actually make the eyes and make the smile with their Sharpie pens. Well, I can do that with the food color pen for this guy, and I think I will once he's congealed properly. I'm going to lay him down until he firms up. Isn't he cute? Okay, so my little guy right here, he needs a little eye. Guess I could have done this before I put him together. Just give him a little eye, and a little smile, a little eyebrow, and same with the other eye on the other side, and this smile. So he's got that. Let me get his neck completely attached.